From Wolfout Studios in Madison, Wisconsin, it's Cat Chat with your hosts, Nate and Mike. And now, here's Natey.
All right, everybody, sit down. We got a long show tonight. Let's see. Got a lot to talk about. Let's talk about Sachi first, huh? That guy, he's fat. Yeah, you got it. Play along, okay. He's so fat that I'm afraid he might get feline diabetes. That's true. It's true. 100% true. I swear to God. Now, Virginia, she sheds so much that my couches have hair all over them. You know. What else? You guys been reading the news?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, then you know that Sachi is gross. He is so gross that he poops and pees in a box. Yeah. Finally, Virginia. Virginia is old. Yeah. Virginia is so old that I'm afraid that she might soon die. I'm Nate.
Hi, this is Mike with Cat Chat. We're here on the streets of Madison, Wisconsin today, seeing what people think about cats. I'm here with, what's your name?
Nate.
I'm here with Nate today. Nate, do you have a couple seconds to talk about some cats?
Yeah.
Well, that's great. I have a cat named Dick Cheney. What do you think about that?
Well, that was spectacular. Today's guests come to us from the past, from season 1 of Cat Chat. It's Nate and Mike. Hey, Nate and Mike.
Where are we?
Hey, guys.
Who are you guys?
Oh, it's Nate and Mike from season 2. There is a season 2. Yes. Well, believe it.
You guys even had new outfits.
Hey, just a tip, guys. You should think about using some green screen effects in the next season. Yeah. Hey, let me ask you one thing. Shoot. Is Virginia still alive?
That's a good question.
Well, I don't want to spoil the surprise. Well, that's all the time we have for our guest segment. I want to thank Nate and Mike. Thanks, Nate and Mike.
Thanks, guys.
All right. We'll be right back after this short message. Pops would spend a lot of nights just tinkering alone, cooking up experiments for purposes unknown. I found out he'd been secretly inventing how to clone, when upon success he yelled, "I've done it!" to the rotary telephone. So, following the mug's success, Pops took a crack at me. Well, that was 30 years ago. We're close as close can be. Perhaps so close, I'd say, and surely he'd agree, that I thank Pops most every day for not making number 3. Welcome back.
You've got meow.
Oh, you know what that sound means? It's time to check our email.
emails.
Today's email comes from Mike at catchat.com. He writes, Dear Dr. Carey, I've got a cat named, we'll call him D. Cheney for the sake of privacy. When he wants something, he likes to boop you on the forehead. Do you think that's cute? Mike in Madison. Well, Dr. Carey, what do you think? Thanks, Dr. Carey. Well, that's all the time we have for Cat Chat today. Remember, I just had a good one. Hold on.